Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we got another simple and delicious cook for you. We're going to be doing chicken wings, but we're actually going to be doing whole chicken wings, not wing sections or wingettes, but whole chicken wings. And we're going to be doing these on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill, and we're going to be using the grill grate and the grill function. So we're actually going to try to get some good marks on these, and yeah, they should be absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, so this is what we got. I only got six chicken wings here, but they're whole chicken wings, not wingettes, but your actual whole chicken wings. So took them out of the package, and all we're gonna do is go ahead and season them up. Now you can use any kind of seasoning that you like. Straighten my table out here. But what we're gonna be using today, I'm gonna hit them up with a little bit of Tony's. So we're gonna use that, and then on the first layer, then the second layer, it's just some stuff that I got a long time ago, but it's Big Shots, and it's an all-purpose rub, and it's pretty good. But it's Spicy Man, Big Shot. Anyway, those are the two rubs that I'm gonna use. You can use whatever you like. So let's go ahead and get these things seasoned up. Alright, so we got all the wings seasoned up. And like I said, remember, you can use any kind of seasoning you want, obviously. So that's it. Let's go ahead and go to the Ninja Foodi and get these things grilled up for you. Alright, so we're at the Ninja Foodi, and we're using the grill grate we got inside here. And like I said, we're going to try to get some grill marks on these. So go ahead and turn your Ninja Foodi XL Grill on. We're going to go ahead down here and pick the grill function, leave it on high. And you could turn this up anytime you want, but I'm going to go ahead and set it right now for 20 minutes. I'm going to hit start, and it's going to go ahead and start preheating. Once it is, we'll put our wings on. See you in a minute. All right, as you can see, it says add food down here at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and get our chicken on there. Now we're going to put the top side of the chicken. Here we go. The top side's going to go down. We're going to try to get some grill marks on the top there. So top side down. Get that on there. Maybe a little bit. There we go. Get them right in there. We're going to get all these on there. Top side down. I can't wait. This is actually the first time I'm trying this, so I'm thinking it should be pretty legit. We shall see, my friends. Get in there, chicken. All right. Chicken is in there. All right, now we're going to go ahead and just drop the top. Just like that. It's grilling. We're going to give it probably about 10 minutes. We got started at 20, but give it about 10 minutes or so. We'll give it a check and see where we're at. See you in a minute. All right, guys. So we're counting down 2, 1, and yeah. Ooh, yeah. Those things are already looking crispy. Look at that. Those look awesome. So the thing is, I don't know. Let's see if we got any kind of grill marks at all on these. Not sure. Hey, a little bit of grill marks. I like it. I like it. And the chicken is, ooh, yeah, look at that. Nice. Oh, yeah. Getting some grill marks on them. I'm digging it. Haha. Ooh, yeah, look at that one. Nice little beauty right there. Sweet. All right, flip these things over, and man, the top's already getting crispy. It's been 10 minutes. I think these things will be done in like 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and shut this thing down. I'll check the temperature after about 5 minutes. We'll see you then. Once you close it, it just automatically resumes. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we're coming to the conclusion. 5 more minutes, a total of 15 minutes, and look at those beauties. Oh man, that skin is perfectly crispy. Got my temperature gauge here. I'm going to go ahead and just make sure they're done. I am 99.9% sure they're done. I'm going to just check across the board, see where we're at. Oh yeah. Check back here. Oh yeah. Look up top. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe. Whew, these are done. All right, awesome. So what we're gonna do is take these off, take it to the cutting board, and I got some awesome things to say about this cooker. We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, we are finished with the cook, and I am super impressed. Nice grill marks, and I mean crispy. Oh, and juicy. Woohoo! These things are hot and crispy, and these are absolutely perfect wings. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just so hot, cooked all the way through. This took 15 minutes. I cannot believe it. I take a bite, but they are so super hot. Now, I'm gonna take you back up top. You're not gonna wanna miss this. I got some awesome things to say about this machine. So especially if you're looking for a good cooker, I'll meet you up top and tell you what I think in just a minute. All right, everybody, we are finished with the cook. And I just want to say off the bat, I am so super impressed. I've never done wings that way in this machine, but this cooker, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, is absolutely phenomenal. If you're looking for a great griller, air fryer type combo machine, you cannot go wrong with this. I have not been disappointed with this thing, not even one time, and I cook a lot on it. So that's saying a lot. Look at these wings. I mean, great presentation as far as, you know, you get some nice marks. Look at that color. And crispy and just fall apart. Ooh, they're still hot. They've been sitting for like almost 10 minutes, but absolutely awesome. And of course, I gotta take a bite for you. I love the flats. This falls apart. That's awesome. A minute. All right, so that's it. That's how you do wings, you know, on the grill function on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. Super awesome. Like I said, now if you're looking for one, go get one. I'll actually pin a link in the description below. You can purchase it there if you want, or go to Ninja or anywhere. Just go pick one up. They're super awesome and amazing. Now, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit that bell for notifications to get my future videos. Please give a thumbs up and leave an awesome comment. And with that being said, well, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.